Well, this episode might be one of the most amazing videos I will ever be filming, and that because I'm in love with the style I'm gonna be talking about today. I'm not gonna lie and tell you that I've always known about it, but during my first year of studies, I made many researches concerning different design styles, and this one has got my heart from the very first time. And each time I use it for my projects or for designing an interior, I feel very happy, enthusiastic, and crazy about the design. So if you're new here, I'm Chloe Khoury, interior architect student, and in this video I will be talking about the most colorful, funny, and crazy design style, pop art. Pop art started in London in 1952 when a group of architects, designers, writers, and artists decided to form an independent group to start growing a new form of art that has a massive appeal. They started to create collages and to incorporate media images in their work, in addition to graphic lines, dots, and comics. Day by day, their art started featuring portraits of well-known public figures, and they started to reproduce images already out in the public. Pop art isn't a usual thing that we see in interiors, but it is certainly one of the most colorful, amazing, crazy, and funky ones. This design style is characterized by shiny, glossy surfaces, anything that's weird, unusual, bright, colorful materials, elements. You can even see pictures of well-known public figures, slogans, or even a branded logo. While thinking of a pop art interior, you should know that any element, and I mean it, any element can become a piece of art. Also, the bright colors are used everywhere in the place. You can find them on furniture, on decor items, on big walls, but not on flooring, because flooring should be neutral. Effectively, in order to pop, a color needs a neutral surface. If you decide to leave your walls neutral, you should at least decorate them with a wallpaper that's bright, patterned, dotted, anything colorful. But it is recommended to use at least one bright, colorful wall. Pop art is known as being a mix of crazy colors, but before it was based on three primary colors: the red, blue, and yellow. In this style, you can mix and match as many colors as you want. There's no color limit. Also, repetitions are always present in this style. Posters and paintings for Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein, for example, are an almost indispensable component for this style. Going up to the ceilings, it is preferable to use multi-leveled ones. Lighting fixtures are also unusual and colorful, and we can always see the presence of neon lights while going for pop art style. Plastic furniture were the main invention in the pop art style. Effectively, during this style, we would see an excessive use of plastic, more than glass, metal, or wood. Big sofas with semicircular lines or poofs are also a must. Jumping to the flooring, pop art style floor can be glossy, shiny, glittery, or you can use the parquet for a neutral spectrum, but make sure to add a colorful patterned rug, anything like zebra, lion, or any pattern or graphic lines would do. As you can see, pop art doesn't follow any rules, so you can never go wrong with it as long as you're choosing bright and colorful patterns and materials. This is the perfect choice for enthusiastic, bold, mysterious, and crazy people, since they will never find this extensive color palette with these bright colors in any other design. So if you wish to achieve this colorful, crazy, enthusiastic interior, you have to make sure that living in a pop art interior is like living in a rainbow, and therefore you should use identical objects of different sizes and different colors, use large-scale artwork featuring a recognizable image from a comic book, an advertisement, or a celebrity picture, use a neutral floor in order to create a contrast with the bright patterned furniture, bright rugs, and decor items in order to achieve the wow effect. Use glossy and shiny surfaces. Use mostly plastic accessories, but always in funny shapes. So this is it for today. I really enjoyed filming this episode, and if you guys like my video, do not forget to press the like button. And if you wish to know more about different design styles or different design ideas, do not forget to follow my channel. See you soon.